everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from 원바이원 English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 21, Information Questions. We use information questions when we want to know more information. 우리가 자주 사용하는 information question들은 be를 사용해. 예를 들면, what is this? Is our be verb. We have our question word, who, what, when, where, why, how 등등 무엇 또는 누구에 대한 질문인지 be verb 대신에 we can also use common verbs like do 또는 does 또는 did. For example, when we have our question word, who, what, when, where, did, how, why 등등 plus do, does, or did plus our subject and then our verb. For example, what does 누구, she, 그리고 our verb like. What does she like? We can also use modal verbs. Should 또는 will. For example, can 또는 could, may 또는 might, should 그리고 will 또는 would, and must. When we use modal verbs, we need to put our question word first, then the modal verb, the subject, and last is the verb. For example, what should we do? For information questions, when we want to know about something or a thing, we use what, 무엇. When we want to know about a person, we say who, 누구. A place, where, 어디, time, when, 언제, a reason, 이유. We use why, 왜, manner, 어느 식으로 하는지, how, 어떻게, possession, 누구 건지, whose, 누구 거, choice, 선택, which, 어느. We can also use how often, how far, and how long as information questions as well. Frequency, 얼마나 자주 하는지, you can ask how often. For distance or 거리, how far. For the length of time, you can ask how long. 몇 시간, 몇 분 등등. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 85, the directions say to circle the question word. Number 1 says who 또는 what ate my chocolate? Max ate it. Max. Max는 사람이잖아. So we will use who ate my chocolate? Number 2, where 또는 when do you play soccer? We play soccer on Saturdays. 요일이 나오네. 그럼 어디 사용할까? 아니면 언제? Good. When do you play soccer? Number 3, why 또는 how did you do on your test? I did very well. 왜 또는 어떻게? Good. How? How did you do on your test? Number 4, whose 또는 which bike is this? It is my brother's bike. We have an apostrophe S. That means 누구의 or 누구 거. Whose bike is this? Number 5, who 또는 what did you eat for lunch? Who did you eat for lunch? 는 아니잖아요. I had an egg sandwich. Egg sandwich는 사람 아니고 우리 사람 먹는 거는 아니잖아요. So we will say what did you eat for lunch? Number 6, where 또는 when are you going? I'm going to the post office. 위치가 나오네. 그럼 어디를 사용해야죠? Where are you going? Number 7, why 또는 how is she so happy? Because she got an A. 와, because가 나올 때는 이거 이유잖아. 그러면 왜가 질문이죠? Why is she so happy? Number 8, whose 또는 which jacket is yours? The blue jacket is mine. whose는 누구 거, which는 어느 잠바가 네 거야. Which jacket is yours? And number 9. Why 또는 what are they doing? They are watching a movie. 무엇을 하고 있어? What are they doing? Great job. In part B, we need to read and match. Which is your dad's car? car는 it잖아요. 그러면 it는 여기 두 개 있죠? car가 여기 나오니까 it is the black car. Number 2, whose earrings are these? 누구 거? They're my sister's earrings. Number 3, who can speak Chinese? 누구? My mom can speak Chinese. And number 4, where is the bank? It's across from the library. Number 5, how does Mary dance? Mary는 여자니까 let's say she. She dances well. Remember, 잘한다 하면 we do not say good, we say well. Number 6, when does dad come home? dad는 he죠. He comes home at 6:30. Number 7, why are you sad? 여기 why가 있으니까 우리 답변에 because가 필요해요. Because I lost my book. Number 8, what are you doing? We are 뭐뭐 하고 있다? Painting the fence. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 86, the directions say to complete the question using how often, 얼마나 자주, how far, 얼마나 먼지, and how long, 얼마나 긴지. 시간에 대한 질문이 있을 때 이거 사용하면 돼요. Number 1, do you eat rice? Almost every day. every day가 나오니까 얼마나 자주 먹는지에 대한 질문이지. How often? Number 2, your English class, 50 minutes long. 시간 나오네. 시간은 how long 사용해야죠. Number 3, is your house from here? Only 2 blocks away. 얼마나 먼지에 대한 질문이죠. How far is your house from here? Number 4, is your class meeting? 30 minutes long. 여기도 시간이 나와서 how long is your class meeting? Number 5, is the post office? About 2 kilometers from here. 오, 여기는 거리가 나오네. How far is the post office? Number 6, do you go to the library? Once a month. 한 달에 한 번. 얼마나 자주? How often? Number 7, does she do the laundry? Twice a week. 일주일에 2번. 이것도 얼마나 자주? How often? Number 8, is the concert? 2 hours long. 시간에 대한 질문. How long is the concert? And number 9, is the park from your house? A 10-minute walk. 여기는 시간이 나오지만 거리에 대한 질문이라서 How far is the park from your house? Good job. In part D, we need to choose and write. We will use what, 무엇, who, 누구, where, 어디, when, 언제, why, 왜, how, 어떻게, whose, 누구가 to ask the questions. Number 1, were you late? Because I missed the bus. 여기 이유가 나오니까 질문할 때는 왜, why. Number 2, will John go to Japan? He will go next month. 다음 달에 갈 거라서 질문할 때는 언제 사용해야죠? When will John go to Japan? Number 3, is your mom going? She is going to work. 어디로? Where is your mom going? Number 4, are the people over there? They are my friends. Friends는 사람들이죠? 누구? Who are the people over there? Number 5. Does Jenny want to be? She wants to be an artist. 무엇? What does Jenny want to be? And number 6. Wallet is this? It's mine. 내 거. 그럼 누구 거? Whose wallet is this? Great. Number 7. Did she sing at the talent show? She sang beautifully. 어떻게? 어느 식으로? How did she sing at the talent show? Great job. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. That's our last page. On page 87, we will be reviewing lesson 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. If you come over, 그럼 you plus 나, 우리, we will watch a movie. Number 2, if the watch is not expensive, 비싸지 않으면 살 것이다. Can will buy it. Number 3, my cat gets sick. 만약에 너무 많이 먹을 때. If it eats too much. Number 4, my dad knows a person. 누구? Who designs cars. And number 5, if you drop eggs, they break. 깨지잖아. In part B, we need to choose and write using when, where, whose, why, how, and how far. Is the bank from here? It's 2 blocks from here. 거리에 대한 질문이라서 how far. Number 2, is the exam. It's next week. 다음 주. 그럼 언제에 대한 질문이겠죠? When. Number 3, is Jenny crying? Because she fought with her sister. 여기 이유가 나오네. 그럼 our question word is why. Good. Number 4, book is this? It's mine. 내 거야. 그럼 질문은 whose book is this? Number 5, is dad? He's in the kitchen. 위치, 장소, 어디에 있냐? Where is dad? Number 6, does your mom drive? She drives carefully. 어떻게, 어느 식으로? How does your mom drive? Great job! In our last part, we need to underline and correct the mistake. Write no mistake if there isn't any. Number 1, we waited for the bus during 30 minutes. 시간이 나오는데 during은 중에 What was the word for 동안? For 30 minutes. Number 2, they wanted going to the park yesterday. Going to is future tense. So we'll get rid of going. They wanted to go. Good. Number 3, Mary is the girl which can play the piano very well. Girl, but which is for animals or things. 그럼 which를 없애지고 대신에 누구? Who. Number 4, I made breakfast to my mom and dad. 엄마한테, 아빠한테? 아니잖아. 엄마, 아빠 위해서 to가 아니라 for my mom and dad. Number 5, we took a walk around the pond. We took a walk around the pond. 다 맞네. No mistake. Great job today. Please check your answers and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!